Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make YouTube videos using just. Let's get started. Before recording, think about what your video will be about. Choose a topic you like or know well. Write a short script or bullet points so you know what to say. Planning makes you easier to record a video. Open the camera app on your phone, switch to video mode, make sure your phone is stable, use a tripod or stack of books or hold it steady. Tap the record button to start, speak clearly and look at the camera. Keep your clips short and simple. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can edit later. Record a few takes if needed to get the best one. After recording, you can edit your video. Open the iPhone Photos app, tap Edit, trim your video, or download a free app like iMovie to cut out mistakes, add music, to add text or captions. Editing makes your video more professional and fun to watch. After that, open YouTube Studio app, tap on the plus at the top, select your videos from your library, add a title, descriptions, and thumbnail, and tap Upload. And now your video is live. And that's all. Now you know how to make YouTube videos on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.